Hi, and welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. I am not here as a financial advisor, but I am here to talk to you about various options, things you can look into doing with your money. Tonight, I'm looking at a trending meme coin. I have to assume that's pronounced TitCoin, Tite being short for, as we all know, the Apostle Paul's student Titus, to whom he famously wrote an epistle in the New Testament. And that is what I am basing all of this on. Here we have a lady lounging by the pool, presumably getting ready to read the book of Titus. Lots of fans of the New Testament here. All of them are dressed in a way that maybe the Apostle Paul might not approve. Maybe they should study Titus again. But, yeah. So, there's that. My goodness. The TitCoin is really hopping. It's really trending. People are having different ideas about that particular epistle. I don't know. Maybe it will continue to grow in popularity. Sweet Mary, the liquidity is hugely high. 1.2 million. It is really doing some numbers. And if I'm not mistaken, it has been around. I mean, the TitCoin has been around since 2014, and that doesn't surprise me. I mean, the epistle's been around much longer, but my goodness, it I don't know what happened last month, but it really got things going for the Apostles' student. Yeah. Market cap 50. Oh, that's just general. Oh yeah. So there's TitCoin market cap 30 million. Trading SoulScan. All of that. TitCoin historical price. Now, you may not be familiar, but the Book of Titus deals with selecting members of church authority. So I suspect that may be why it's so, why it's really trending, because that's something that, people are excited about. Oh, who's going to be the new bishop, man? Gotta get a new deacon in here. And so, that's where the money comes from, and that's where it's going. And that's what people are investing in. Just, what's going to happen with the diaconate? Nobody knows. So, yeah, that's all, it's all happening there. So, and, of course, you can look into further about the epistle to Titus as you want, but that's not really going to help you too much in terms of learning about TitCoin here. It's its own thing. I don't understand the internet. Well, I think I understand it quite well, that the internet is excited about matters of church leadership and selecting appropriate elders and leaders and overseers and all that. That's always been a trending topic that I've been aware of, so that makes a lot of sense. So yeah, there you go. There you have it. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. Check it out, and I'll see you at the revolution.